Creating great wine, like great art, is a very labor-intensive process. There's an enormous amount of trial and error, experimentation, and precision.
Joel Shapiro was known for works that play with movement, balance, energy. And his wine collection reflected the same.
Sotheby's is proud to offer the wine collection of the artist Joel Shapiro, one of America's most celebrated sculptors. We're calling the sale Kinetic because of how Joel captured movement and energy in his sculptures, and I think these wines have that same movement and energy. Over the decades, he amassed one of the most comprehensive collections spanning the greatest regions of the world, including the greatest wines of Burgundy, Bordeaux, Italy, and Napa Valley. Standout lots include one of the rarest bottles I've seen, Georges Roumier's Bonnemar 1990, rarely seen in auction. Others include the 1989 Aubryon, René Angel's Grands Echezos 1999 from a full case. Another highlight of the collection is a full banded case of 1993 DRC La Tâche, never before opened until this auction.
Something I find really interesting too is that you're seeing some wines that you didn't necessarily find in every collection. For example, you have Chateau Rayas, Mignori-Gibourg, Breuer. So really showing that Joel was ahead of the market.
A good example are the wines of Georges Roumier. These were always great wines, but never collected in this quantity. He acquired these wines before they ever got popular. These days, Burgundy is now what everyone collects, but he was collecting these 20, 30 years ago before anyone even knew about these wines. In wine, you're seeking balance, where everything is aligned, where the fruit is ripe but not overripe, the tannins are present but not too strong.
And that's something that I've noticed in his works, is this play with balance, imbalance, and really this point of tension. And I think that's what ultimately makes a great wine, is finding that tension.
And you see that in the wines that Joel collected.
I think when I look at his work, there is this suggestion of a human presence, of movement, of emotion. And that's something that we find in wine as well, right? It's more than just fermented grapes. It's something that, once opened, evokes different emotions and is expressive and ultimately an experience in and of itself.